Are we on our way to Grammy's for lunch? It's so exciting. You've never gone before, huh? Yeah. Be gentle. Be gentle. Did you just get lipstick on you, huh? Huh, sweetie? Mwah. How exciting! How exciting! Yeah.
Don't do me.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Are you ready for some lunch?
That goes. A rose is a rose is a rose.
Are we gonna have some lunch? Are we gonna have some lunch, huh? Are we gonna have some lunch? You want a bite? This one? Yeah, that's.
Oh, this looks good. Eat that, doctor.
Eat them.
Thanks for coming to lunch. You don't get a teacup though. Yeah.
Will you pass me the furikake or whatever it is, the seaweed
That's for me.
stuff?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it on my soup.
That's probably good.
Little spinach soup.
I don't know how.
It has all kinds of natural.
Thanks for coming to lunch.
Yeah, it just pulls off you.
Yes,
See
it's
Rosie, and she's going, "Oh, I like your parrot." And Kaylin goes, "Say hello, Rosie." Rosie goes, "Hello," and their just faces were like that. It was really
right on
cute.
you. She knows how to read her audience.
Mm-hmm.
Did you melt like butter? Yeah, because you ate lunch and then you melted like butter? Huh, Rosie? You melted on my shoulder. And awfully quiet.